Hello. Good morning. Welcome back my channel your Picao Duata. For today I will discuss about color mutations in birds that are native to the forest. This bird is native to color mutation from the forest. Not due to mutating in captivity, and birds are rare because they are very difficult to find. For the color of this bird it should be yellow. I will show the original color of this bird. Well, that's the original color of the bird. For this bird the name, Euwing moss, is a native bird endemic to Indonesia for food or fruits such as apples, guava, mango, banana, etc. This bird has a very melodious voice, making it suitable for pets at home. To care for this bird is very easy. The most important thing is to keep them. This bird is actually cheap, but if the bird mutates like that can be a very expensive bird, because this bird is rare, very hard to find, and this is the first time I've seen a bird at a kiosk with a color like this, so the owner of this bird buys th. This bird, besides the color, is quite attractive. This bird has a melodious song, so it is very suitable for pets at home. Well, for friends who want to know the sound of this bird, please listen to the sound until the end. Definitely make friends want to care.